Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the biometrics and security. Here we have to scroll down again actually to the very bottom to find other security settings, and as you can see the second section is connected with the credentials, and almost at the very bottom we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap, and here your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents. So if you want to, just tap on OK, and as you can see we've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this option, which is another evidence that we just successfully removed the certificates. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.